Most people think life insurance is for when you die, but the smartest policies pay you while you're alive. If your policy can't help you when life happens, you're not protected. Yes, most people think life insurance is just to pass on money after you've passed away, but it's not. So many of our counterparts have known so much better and have used life insurance properly to scale and make money while they're living, and you can do it too. Now, the video that I shared on my Facebook and social media pages is talking about cashing in when you are sick. There are life situations that happen. We have heart attacks, we have strokes, cancer diagnosis, critical illness happens to us, right? And it's good to be protected, and you can be protected well through the proper insurance policy. So let's go over a couple of policy types that you can choose. Let's talk about number one. There is life insurance, and there are endorsements that you can have on life insurance that can give you access to up to 80% of the original death benefit that you had, right? So, say you had a $100,000 policy and you have the proper endorsement on your life insurance, and you were diagnosed with a critical illness or terminal illness, and the doctor is giving you, let's say, 12 months to live. To God be the glory. And he has the last say, let's say that. But if the doctors say that and you need to cash in, meaning, okay, you don't have much savings, you don't need to be worried about your bills, you're trying to get well and you're trying to rest your mind and have some financial peace, because we all know that financial stress kills faster, right? If you have $100,000 policy, you can literally pull down $80,000 with the proper paperwork and your doctor verifying these things. Of course, you need to verify that you actually have this terminal illness. You can do this if you're unable to perform or not perform two of the six daily living activities for a certain amount of time. Or you could do this with possible serious chronic illness, but it must be proven to be serious. Okay, now you have $80,000, but you may have four children. You may want to be buried in a fabulous casket, or you may want to leave a substantial amount of money to your four children. So, do you want to use 80,000 of your $100,000 policy? Now, that's an option that you have, but there are other options. For one, there's a company that I have a contract with that has a critical illness slash cancer policy coverage where you can get paid up to $100,000 if you were diagnosed with up to 10 different critical illnesses, and it includes cancer, heart attack, stroke, multiple sclerosis, kidney failure, and other things. You could get up to $100,000 paid up to 3 times over the life of the policy. But also for those who have had pre-existing conditions, those who may have been diagnosed with cancer in the past, you can get a guaranteed issued $20,000 payout up to 3 separate times with this policy if you've been in remission for just 12 months. If you want more information about that, make sure you leave me a DM. I can get you some information about that. Then we have income protection policies. These policies are like disability, long or short-term disability. Normally, if you have a real disability and the state or the government says, hey, you're disabled, it takes at least 2 years for you to be disabled before they're able or are willing to kick in money for you. So it's good to have a disability like policy that lasts at least 2 years, right? You can have those and it can cover up to 60% of your income. If you are an entrepreneur and you make about $5,000 a month, you can get a disability policy that covers $3,000 of your income. There are accident and sickness protection. There are different policies, that hospital indemnity policies, that if you are admitted into the hospital, if you need to be in ICU for any length of days, that it pays you up to several $100s a day for just being in there. These are the type of policies that protect your income, protecting and giving you peace of mind when you are dealing with life's most difficult times, when you are sick. If you do not have a policy that is covering your income, or replaces your income, or adds income to you, so that you can focus on your health and not stress on your finances, then you need to consider getting one. If you would like, I can consult you on that. If not, go to an insurance professional that can help you get coverage. This is Miki Riley, your fabulous protection professional. I help people protect their health, protect their wealth, and protect their beauty. Until next time, I hope this information was a little bit of a help.